Oh, we're gonna do a little exploring on this beautiful summer day. Even though summer and weird series of events here, and I don't know. The weather's weird. It goes winter, super rainy. It just seasons in a span of a few days. So I checked over there. I think in the last video, went through a lot of these caves, and they were just kind of loot caves. I don't remember if I have gone into this green dot. I'm pretty sure this is the printer area, so we're gonna find that out, and then we're gonna check over on this side of the island because I've been a lot over there. We'll go over here first. Just a plowing our way through. Oh, another area. I think there might be only a couple guys here, so I might be able to take them out. Kind of easy. Okay, there's more than a couple guys. This kind of makes sense why I keep getting raided constantly. This is kind of a lot easier when you can just kind of headshot them. I'm sorry. Might cut this out because it's kind of mean. But I'm gonna take your stuff. Rope, rope, rope. Stone. I like how they're just rolling with the golf cart there. Oh, I didn't know you could. Oh, there's nothing in there except viscera and stuff. Okay. Oh, nope, big guy, big guy. I'm glad I can make just tons of these arrows easily. He gets up a couple times, so oh, I wonder where he got the mask. Sucker for oh no. Whoop, carbon fiber arrows for the win. I don't know if these do any more damage, but it would seem like they would. Because of, you know, quality difference. Alright, stone arrows. Alright, there really wasn't much here, but I'm going to remember there's this little village. What can I make with rope? I need bones. But there aren't any bones here. None that I can pick up anyway. Come on, I don't need that. There we go. Ooh, got a skin pouch. Let's open that bad boy up. Oh yeah, two of them. Some medicine, much needed. Okay. That's kind of nice. I feel like I rarely find drugs here. Oh, hey. Hey, Virginia. Oh, thank you. I appreciate the fish. That's for me? Or not? Okay. Give it to your boy, Calvin over there. Alright, let's check out this little green dot here. If I've already been here, I'll move on to the next thing. I hardly ever use the berries. I'm not really sure what they're for. I gotta go this way. Right? Yeah. Go this way, I gotta turn around. I hardly ever use the berries. They don't really give you any food energy. And I don't know if they give you any other effects. I guess maybe they're only really good for combining. I think Virginia's stalking me here. I can see her GPS locator. Okay, okay. I think she follows kind of close. But she can come in clutch with a pistol. Having unlimited ammo and it's and oh. I don't know if I've been here. Oh, I need a shovel. Okay. Alright, onward this way. We'll go to that dot over there. We'll see what's up. Collecting stuff along the way. Yeah. Somewhere. Okay, no. Maybe she's not following me. Maybe it just kind of looks that way. Because of the terrain. Oop. And this is one long ass way. Of course there's a mountain in my way here. Never just be an easy way around stuff. Flat terrain. Well, I guess I can't literally see the mountain on the map. And I kind of had traversed it before. You know. Back in the... What was that video? Yeah, that was video 2. I think it was video 2. Run up the side of the mountain. And it kind of feels like it's a little glitched where you shouldn't be able to do that. But you just do it anyway. Because video games make very little sense. Probably should have made bone armor before I left. I think that's kind of my problem. Oh, here's another village. See if they have more stuff. More stuff for me. I wonder how much better this would be. Why am I not bringing out the lighter? Where is... Come on. L. Kind of seems like a better option. Than just trying to straight up attack them. Oh. I hope... Oh, yes, run into it. Thank you. That saves me an extra... I thought he was going to pick him up. Oh, I found the cheat code here. Oops, skin sack. Is that it? Okay. That was easy. I'm gonna start using these more often. Oh, bones, sweet. I can make some armor. Bam. What else do I need? Oh, tape. I'm gonna pop, 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 pop. Bam, 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 bam. Tape. And bone armor. Put it on. I need a couple more bones. Hopefully. And that's enough for a couple more, right? Okay, if only I had 2 more bones. But it's better than nothing. We got in here, tape. Buckshot. I need to find a shotgun. Because there is clearly a shotgun somewhere. I just don't know where it is. Is that everything? Looks like it is. This throne that probably smells like hot garbage. I like how it's a the butt for a seat. Man, these things are kind of terrifying up close. Oh, I thought I could just poke it and not get it, let it down, but... Okay. Ooh, we can get some more armor now. Creepy armor. Put you on. Oh, it's just a leaf. Oh, what else? What else is there here? Okay, where was I? Alright, going this way. I'm gonna get a little bit of ways. Okay, there's a guy there. Just chilling. I'm gonna get a little ways from here. Make a tent. Okay, there's a monkey. Monkey dude. Stick. Pop, pop. Get a little ways from here. Make a tent. Sleep through the night. And start fresh in the morning. Gee. Oh, hey. Well, let's just save just in case I wake up and there's 100 of them around me. Oh, that was easy. Oh, he must have been wounded from before, unless I just got the luckiest of shots. Take this. There we go. I like how it neatly folds up. I'm hungry and thirsty. Luckily, I have foods. Can I make? Okay. I'm gonna make that. And this has been amazing. Just being able to have this, have the canteen is a game changer. Spear out. I like the spear. A little more range. Nope, come on. You're not gonna catch me. The goddamn gingerbread man. Alright, I've been 40 feet from my base and run into a little trouble already. Man, do I really have to go all the way around? I do, don't I? Yeah, of course I do. Fireweed. I don't know what that does. What? What hit me? Oh, it was a moose. He straight up checked my ass. Took away one of my armors. I think I've seen the moose one other time. And I'm assuming I could probably hunt it. Maybe kill it for a lot of meat, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm pretty sure it's harder to kill than all the other stuff. Oh, I need to go this way. Going the wrong way. The moose got me all messed up. Although I don't know, because I was going around this. No. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna die here. Aren't I? No, let's go into the water here. Okay, there's a trail. Mooses are naturally afraid of water. I don't know if that's true. Don't quote me on that. Oh, one of you. Oh, there's two of you. Guess you guys like to hide. Ambush. You are definitely not gonna... There's a lot of you here. Must be your area. don't know if you guys follow me and get backed up. Okay, whatever. I don't know where the other guy went, but he's somewhere. There, yep, here you are. I might get a better weapon than this spear. Well, I think maybe the axe is probably a little better. Just doesn't have the range. I can't throw it. Probably a good thing. Because I would lose this thing in a heartbeat. Oh no. Oh. What? Oh shit. This isn't good. I gotta be slow around the moose. Because it's gonna destroy all my armor. This is a nice area. Didn't mean to do that. Alright. So I go this way. This is kind of a nice little tour around the island here. There's this little cove. Or bay, I guess it is. In the cove. Something. Oh, okay. It's just a little village. Oh, yep, they see me. Let's make some of these. I wish I could make multiples of stuff. Let's get the lighter out. I don't know why when I hit L it doesn't just automatically bring the lighter out. Let's kind of get you all back down here in your village. Kind of kite you all around. Y'all scared of fire? Come on, come through the fire. Yes, come on. Okay, maybe they're... Okay, yeah, he's kind of dumb. He's standing in the fire. That rope. Yeah, they're not as dumb. Oh, no, okay. I'm just dumb this time. Oh, no, this was a bad idea. This was a bad idea. I could just take him down for sure. I'm gonna use these meds. Do the little med trick here and I'm out of... I might have one left in my hand. What else do I need? Time bomb. Coins. And a watch. And what else? Tape and string. These are super useful. What else? Okay. Thought I hit 2 of each. Apparently not. Nope, I don't have that. So let's equip you. Run. Just blow up, blow up, blow up. Okay. Ugh, no. Where'd you go? Okay, I'm gonna take more of their stuff. Yeah, they didn't have much. Kinda want to wait for them to come back though. Maybe not. Might not be the best idea. Eat a little mate. Okay, whatever this is, I'm gonna get it off the thing. Energy mix or whatever. Let's get my arrows out. My map. Okay, I need to go this way. 'Cause I know they're out here somewhere. Yep, here you are. Sorry, man. You started it. Well, I started it, kind of. Alright, I need some more armor, since your boys kind of took my stuff. Of course. Hopefully I get taken to that village right there. No, kind of looks like there's more people here. Those I think are just the kids. Yep, here's my stuff. Glad that it's all just in one little neat pile. Okay. You start a fire. A little fire going here. Eat some of this, get some health back. Because it seems like I just can never find any meds. Okay. There's always just this skin thing that's kind of messed up. Alright. Give me a little more squirrel meat and get some more health back. What is that? Printer resin. Oh, okay. Oh, skin pouch. I got 2 of them. Alright. More meds. Oh, at least some meds. I'm gonna use these so I can have full health at least. Some my fill of bones here. Kind of messed up to say, but you know. Alright, how many of these can I make? 1, 2, 3. Do I have more bones? Yes, I do. What else do I need? Oh, I'm like 1 bone short. Of course. There's this. Oh, is that? I only need 1 more bone? Yes. Bone armor. Alright. That's better than nothing. I'm thirsty. Inventory. I can take one more sip. That should be gold in here. My map. This way. Gotta stay. Oh, let's take a little look-see down here. Ah. Majestic. Pretty majestic. Okay, so I can't really just corner hug. Really get around here. My luck, somebody come out of nowhere, tap me, and I'd fly off the side of that there. That wouldn't be fun. I'll kind of stick to the trail. Even though it's a little dangerous. Yeah, it took me a little bit to figure out you hit the middle mouse button to click through the map cycle thing. But it's okay, because I figured it out. So this doesn't really give you a whole lot of tutorial. Or just random little tips that are kind of nice here and there. I think what I'm actually going to do... let me, I'm gonna make one of these. Because, you know, why not? Got the sticks. All I need is the logs. Logs are easy. Bam, bam. Feels like this log was a lot easier to do. Maybe it's just me. Maybe my guy's getting stronger or something. Maybe these trees are easier to cut down than the trees by my normal base. Okay. Worked out. Alright. I'm gonna save here. Cool. Pop, pop, pop. Get some you. It's nice to have sticks. Okay. It's good to have save points. That's easy, it's quick to make. Okay, I can kind of just follow this path for most of this. It's almost like a sightseeing tour in this video. Just rolling up. You know, if anything, this game is beautiful. I've seen a little bit of the forest from like other YouTubers and such playing the original forest. I can see a lot of the similarities. But there also is a lot of differences. I think with a lot of stuff you can make and the just the graphics all around. But I mean, everything's gonna get better with time. Oh, there's someone need a shovel here. I think I'm gonna where's my, here it is. Oh, I need to put a stick down, right? Put a locator in this. So I remember to come back here. I'll just get this little cross here. Okay, right? Or not? Where'd it go? Did I drop it? Is that a weird... Oh, it's just a cell phone. It doesn't I don't know. Whatever. I know it's here. If I ever find the shovel. Oh, there's another green dot over there. Okay. Let's get back. We're kind of on the path here. Take the scenic route. Can I just kind of cut through a little bit over here? I'm gonna 100% get this mixed up with Virginia all the time. Of course, I gotta go around. I'll just follow the path. That seems to be the best option. I'm done 100%. I don't know why that doesn't let me change it. It must be a glitch. Because I think this says early access, so they might be adding on to this game. Pretty sure it says early access still. Or maybe just because it's an indie game, it's not really well super made. Which way do I go? I'll figure it out when I get there. Let's get a little closer. Like stones and stuff are not hard to find at all. Like in the least bit. Neither are rocks. Like most of the stuff around my base, I don't even need the holders. Like Galva to find everything. And they just spawn everywhere. And it's like I could just run around my base. And just pick them up. And they just infinitely respawn super quickly. Ugh, sounds like me. Going up any slight incline. Oh, another little monkey chimp boy. I wonder if they picked up wearing creep armor from me. Or that's just something they normally naturally do. Ugh. I hate that my armor only takes one hit. I'm gonna try hitting them with this. The armor makes it a lot harder. Okay, there's usually more than one of them. Yep. Yeah, there's usually a couple of them. I don't know if this hits harder. But it seems like it should, since it's metal. And it's sharp. Nice picturesque open plains. And a nice open field with the crazy monkey people that want to kill you. Gotcha. Okay, I'm getting pretty good at squirrel hunting here. Basically an expert at this point. Alright. Now, oh, I half expected me to fall over, like a little cliff going over, just that through that little brush. Let's see. I've never been over here. Oh, squirrel. Couple squirrels. Get you one of you. Yes. Food. Okay. This must be a dig site. And I must need the shovel here. Yep. Need the shovel here. Okay. Let's go on to that little point then. Maybe I'll find the shovel in one of these spots. I wonder if on the island, since this was for apparently for some really wealthy people, this is supposed to be the golf course. That's what it's really looking like here. Okay, I'm gonna some water. Maybe if I can, if it's deep enough. Can I? Yes, I can. I'll fill up my canteen. There we go. Here. Oh, so nice. I know you can't make more than one flask, canteen, whatever you want to call it. But you should be able to. Because it just makes sense. Cook some squirrel. So I got a couple here. And I'm gonna need food. Well, he's got to watch your back. Motherfuckers never know where them monkey people is at. This is so much nicer looking. I should have built my base up like on the hill up there or something. But that takes forever, and I really don't feel like doing that. Pop, pop. Okay, well, that'll be a forest fire. Smokey can deal with that later. Alright, straight line. Head to the little green dot. Hopefully it's something actually useful. Not just a loot cave. We've gone to quite a few of these other places now, and they haven't really progressed the story. I've gotten the GPS locators, except the one that's buried that I need the shovel for. So if the shovel's not in here, I don't really know where else to go. I might just wander about. Maybe off camera or off recording, just to kind of get a general idea. This map is pretty huge. Oh, okay. What's this? Like legitimate houses. Okay. What we got in here? Anything worthwhile? Freezer. Nothing. Use that net for something, but apparently not. Just here for decoration. Oh, okay. I guess just a landmark, right? Unless there's more to it. Okay. This must be a really big base for them. Taking their stuff, but I don't care. Oh, they must be out hunting. Gonna assume. Let's just take the path here. Let's take the little scenic route. Hopefully we don't get jumped. So what's over here? Like I'm always hearing stuff. But I think it's squirrels. Okay, it's just a pond. Or a tiny lake. I don't really know what constitutes the difference between a pond and a lake. Like, what's the size? What's the threshold? Or it's just a really big pond, or it's a small lake? Let me know in the comments if you know the difference. What difference is between a pond? Okay, I'm gonna shut up with that. Somebody's gonna Google it. Look, actually. Like, yes, thank you. Okay, so I'm getting close. Yep, that's what I figured. This be a big drop here. And I'm pretty far away from I'm on the entire other side of the island. Where? Okay. Okay, so it's down. Gotta be down here. Or in. Here we go. What is. Okay, a bunch of tape. A dead guy and. Circuit board. I don't know how to get in here. Okay. This was kind of for nothing. Do you have anything else? You got a little knock off Milwaukee here. Oh, right. I think I've been over there before. I tried going in that cave. But doing it solo's kind of, insane. So this has to be like an end game thing. For me to be able to get in here. Let me go back over here real quick. Because there's nothing. There's not even the keycard thing. For me to get in there. This is a weird entrance I don't know about. I don't really see any of them. Is there anything? Oh, tween berries? Whatever this stuff is. Okay. Let me check that. I saw a golf cart. Check this little. And that looks like something over here. Check the golf carts. Nothing. Nothing. Check this over here. Thing. Starfish. See color, so I think it's like more. Oh, there's more golf carts. There's got to be something over here worth getting. Printer resin. Ooh. Printer resin, medicine. Getting real Jurassic Park vibes here. Zipline rope. MREs. What's more? Rope. Energy bar. I'm gonna crack one of them. I seem like I never use them because I never really have to. They don't. I mean, like they give you. Of course, they give you energy. Okay. A little extra meat. A little bird meat. Some feathers. Okay. Birds, the animals that keep on giving. Little bit of everything in there. Swiss Army animal. Alright. We got here. Duct tape, MRE. Zipline rope. Need to find the zipline gun. Assuming it's in that cave. I tried and just got destroyed. Is this? Oh. Discount Milwaukee circuit board. MRE zipline. More meds. More meds. Rope. Rope. Buoys. I don't see anything else to run out to and collect. Oh. Follow me all the way out here. What's this? Hello. Oh, thank you. Aloe vera, thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, it's getting to be dark time. Let's set this bad boy up. Put one stick. I'm glad you kind of only need. Well, it doesn't really matter. Sticks are not hard to find at all. So I don't even. Okay, you just kind of waited around for me, didn't you? Let's take a little look in the daytime. Nothing over there, nothing over there. Let me do a little more exploring along the shoreline here. Maybe more crap washed up. Maybe there's more golf carts. Something. There's got to be more. There's got to be something I'm missing. Let me get those cooked meat. Let's get up to full. Oh, let's go to the. I shouldn't be able to drink this water. It should be salt water because I'm pretty sure this is the ocean. But somehow I'm just kind of immune to salt water. Okay, all right, here we go. There's always more crap along the side of here. Oh, there's definitely something here. All right, put away my stuff. Let me drink. No. Do I have to be like here? Come on. Do I have to be far enough? Okay. Well, whatever. I have my canteen, so I'll just drink out of that. Alright. I do have energy drinks, which somehow isn't detrimental to you like it normally is. The kidneys and all that. Somehow that gives you, Oh, this is a big area. They probably have something nice that I could use. I wonder... It seems like if I release them, they take over the village. And becomes something not cool anymore. Kind of becomes the not so fun place to be. Is that easy? Okay, these guys are... Maybe the carbon fire arrows are just that much better. Nope. Hit. Must switch to my stone arrow. Because I think if I'm gonna waste arrows, it's gonna be these. Not my nice carbon fiber arrows I can never find any of. Hey, what up? Ooh. 9mm. Wish I had that gun right about now. some stone arrows. Do I just... Ugh. Okay. A skin pouch. Okay, I don't have any. I can just kind of craft some more. Don't need you. Don't need that. Come on. Bunch of these. Pop, 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 pop. So many feathers. Grabbed a bunch of arrows. I'm about ready to get popped by the big guy here. Okay, I'm out of sticks. Ugh, ugh. No, 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 no. Don't get killed, don't get killed. Okay. Just smash and grab here. Sorry, I'm taking all your stuff. Skin pouch. I don't know how they develop zippers. Basically, it's Stone Age technology. Nope. Okay. Oh, well, I'm glad I I saved. Well, I guess maybe you can only die once a round. Well, I'm glad I load in not very far from here. Oh, okay. All right, I think my my game crashing and dying and all that was kind of is she bringing me a squirrel? Oh, how did I see you, Virginia? Cut that bad boy open. Yeah, I think my dying and game crashing was kind of a sign. My general running around is a good spot to end the video. So, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will catch you all in the next video.